Hello everyone and welcome to the video tutorial on how to use functions in Microsoft Excel. This is Sabine from Create, Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's jump into our topic. So the functions in Microsoft Excel are the great time-saving options for the calculation of data in your worksheet. So functions are basically the formulas categorized to be easier to find. In order to find functions, just go to the formulas bar right here, and right here you see many functions. There are a lot of functions that can be used in Microsoft Excel. Some are really complex and with a difficult syntax, while some are really easy. For example, AutoSum right here is a really easy function that can be used in order to calculate sum, average, count numbers, find the maximum number, and find the minimum number. Different to the formulas, functions have a different syntax. For more arguments, you need to separate each of the argument with the help of comma. For example, let us calculate the gap between these two dates with the help of functions. If you don't know which function to look up to, then you can simply go to Insert Function to search for a function. If you know the syntax of the function, then that's really helpful. To know about a function, you can simply click on one of the function and you can see about the function down right here what it does. Click on OK after you've selected a function. And right here you should enter the start date. Let me just select this as the start date. And for end date, let me select this right here. And right here should be the needed answer. So you can simply click on OK. There you go. There you get the result with the help of a function. Now, in order to use the same function in every one of these dates, in every one of these operations, then what you can simply do is click on the fill handle, hold, and drag right like this. And there you go. That's how you use functions in MS Excel. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Just remember that knowing some of the syntax of the functions can be really helpful while using MS Excel. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.